everyone, welcome back to the channel. We're at Vancouver Airport Sunday afternoon, and just a quick reminder, go ahead and click that subscribe and like buttons if you haven't already. And we're taking a look at Hertz here, again, Vancouver Airport. Got a couple Teslas, a Dodge Charger, Ford Escape, a couple more Teslas here. Again, this is Sunday afternoon. Actually, Hertz does have a fairly good selection of cars for Sunday. Quite a few Teslas. Maybe I should offer a prize for whoever counts. Who was the first one to count how many they have? What do we got here? We got an Escape, Hyundai, we've got a Kia, another Escape. Yeah, we got another Tesla sliding through here. A couple minivans, another Tesla. Oh boy, there's another one down at the end. Not sure if you guys can kind of see there. There's one of those Tundras way down there. A couple Ram pickup trucks, another Tesla, Durango, Expedition, Audi. It looks like it might be Q5. Let's go down the other side here. We got a Corolla, got an Infiniti, Kia, got a RAV4. Looks like one of those 2 Series BMWs, 5-liter Mustang convertible. Yeah, we got a couple more RAV4s. We got a VW, another Tesla here. Yeah, we got another 5-liter Mustang convertible, another Tesla. Price is $300. A lot of 300s have been coming in lately. And we got a minivan. Yeah, we got some more Teslas, a VW, Kia. Wow, 3 more Model 3s. And we're kind of into the returns a little bit. We got a Charger, and it's one of those Kona electrics. A couple more. Oh boy, there's another one there. Yeah, there's Model 3s everywhere. Camry, got a Chevy SUV, Corolla, a couple Corollas here, and 2 more Model 3s. All right, okay, I think that's going to wrap things up. Again, this is a Sunday afternoon, Vancouver Airport. Go ahead and subscribe if you guys haven't already subscribed. Give the video a quick like if you want to see more of these videos, and I'll see you in the next one.